Hi, I am Nihal Ali. I am from Davangere, Karnataka. I did my engineering in GM Institute of Technology, Davangere in the year 2023. After completing my graduation, I got to know about this institute from one of my brother. So I contacted IIES management and joined this institute to pursue PG diploma in embedded system design and development. After joining here, I got to know about various programming languages such as C, C++, and embedded C, and I also gained much knowledge about basic electronics, microcontrollers, and protocols by having hands-on experience on those hardware boards. The staff in IIS is very supportive. They not only equipped me with the skills required for job interviews, but also provided valuable insights to the industry. The placement team in IIS is commendable for their support. They not only guided me through the intricacies of job searching, but also provided me with the insights of industry expectation through their assistance. I felt very well prepared and confident during my interviews, which I got my placements. Finally, I got placed in the DELOPT with a package of 4.5 LPA. And IIS Institute, I thank you very much for your comprehensive education and practical skills which you have paved into me, which gave me these placements.